Scene 1. The scene begins with a breathtaking panoramic view of an iconic racetrack bathed in the golden hues of sunrise. The silence of the morning is split with the unmistakable roar of a powerful Ferrari V12 engine, a sound full of history and artistry. Voiceover: Ferrari has always been a symbol of power, speed, and endless passion. Scene 2. The tempo quickens with fast cuts of classic Ferrari models crossing the finish line, their engines a symphony of mechanical prowess. This is followed by an aerial shot of the legendary Ferrari factory nestled in Maranello, where dreams take shape. Voiceover: but what if we told you a revolution is coming? No noise, no emissions, just pure performance. Scene 3. A sense of excitement builds as electric sparks trace the silhouette of a camouflaged Ferrari negotiating a winding mountain road. Pulsating electronic beats crescendo, echoing the rhythm of the road beneath tires. Voiceover: Ferrari unveils its first fully electric car, redefining the future. Scene 4. The mysterious and eagerly anticipated car is cloaked under a black veil, surrounded by ambience lighting that reflects redly off the tarmac. Voiceover: a revolutionary design inspired by racing, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled electric power. Scene 5. The veil lifts and the car bursts into sight, a marvel of engineering. It speeds forward, leaving in its wake an ephemeral trail of glowing taillights and swirling electric smoke. Voiceover: official launch in October 2025. Are you ready for the future? Scene 6. The final moment is marked by the sleek appearance of the Ferrari logo shimmering into view. An electrifying sound reverberates as an electric motor's raw and distinct roar whooshes past. Voiceover: the electric Ferrari, a driving experience that redefines excitement. Call to action: subscribe now for the latest updates on Ferrari's first electric supercar. Suggested hashtags: hashtag Ferrari EV, hashtag electric Ferrari, hashtag future of speed, hashtag Ferrari 2025, hashtag supercar, hashtag Ferrari.